Hello and welcome once again in our program Master the Basics of English Language. The first case of telling the time. This is our title today. Let's apply the input and output processes on telling the time. Let's find out how in the next step. For example, when you receive or listen to a question like, "What time is it now?" This is called the input information that you listen to. You can answer this question in different ways. Suppose that the time is now as you see in front of you. You can use the output process, which is telling the time in different ways as the following. It's 1:15. The second way of telling the time, it's 1:15. And the third way of telling the time is, it's 1:15. So as you see here, we told the time in three different ways. As you see here, you practiced three skills in English, which are listening, the question of telling the time, which is what time is it now? And you practiced also the reading skill when you read the time before telling it. And in the process of practicing telling the time in itself is the speaking skill. So we practice about three skills in English. Let's right now practice the three skills together, which are listening, reading, and speaking. Please look at the time and answer the following question. Listen carefully. What time is it now? As you can see in front of you. Yes? Can you practice right now the reading process? Have you read the time? Excellent, well done. Let's now go ahead and practice the speaking process, which is telling the time in different ways. What's the first way? Can you guess? Well done. It's 2:30. Excellent. What about the second case? It's 2:30. Well done. And the third case is, it's 2:30. Very well and well done. Right now, we are going to move to the next episode in which we are going to have the second case of telling the time. See you next episode.